What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be searching for a Charizard, one in particular that I have not pulled yet, and it is the Charizard from Burning Shadows, guys. I have 8 blister packs here, a portfolio that comes with the pack, and I'm also going to just crack open this Detective Pikachu box. As you can see, there's a Burning Shadows inside of there. So all together it'll make 10 packs. Plus I do still need to pull the Mewtwo from the Detective Pikachu series. So hopefully we could get that out of the way and done so I could be done with the Detective Pikachu set. So let's crack open this and see what we get. Since I haven't opened this box on the channel yet, I'm gonna do a quick overview of it. So what you get in this box is the 4 promos that they had at select stores like Target, Walmart, GameStop, and I forget where the other one was. I think the movie theater actually was the Pikachu. And then you get the figure of the Pikachu from Detective Pikachu standing on the magnifying glass, Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon, and 2 Detective Pikachu packs. So I'm not going to show this being open, I'm just going to crack it open and lay everything out. Alright guys, so here's the promos from the Detective Pikachu box. We got the Bulbasaur, Snubbull, Psyduck, and Detective Pikachu, all with the Detective Pikachu logo. That's why I like those so much. Then we got the packs, the Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon, and actually 3 Detective Pikachu packs, and the little Pikachu figure. Alright, and this is from the Burning Shadows portfolio that they sell at Target. Oh, that's the only place I've seen it at. That came with the 1 pack. And then we got the 8 packs here. I already started to take them out. Let's get through these really quick. Set these over here. We'll just start with the portfolio pack. Code card, Burning Shadows. 4 to the front. So we have a Water Energy, a Lunatone, Seadra, Charmeleon, love that art, Ralts, Alolan Vulpix, Hoot Hoot, Ladybug, Mudbray, Alolan Raticate, which is a reverse rare, and a Butterfree for the rare. Nothing too crazy in that portfolio pack. Let's get that out of the way. Did I show you guys that? The back has the Alolan Ninetales and the Rockruff, and the front with the Ultra Necrozma. Let's kill this Detective Pikachu box. That one I'll save for Instagram. 3, 4. So we got a Grass, Porygon 2, Weakness, Policy, Simisage, Meryl, Charmander, Oddish, Sulk, which just got released in Pokemon Go, Porygon, really, Reverse Porygon, and another Butterfree. So we got a Sun and Moon base set here. Still a ton of cards I would like to pull from Sun and Moon base. Get a Psychic, Pokeball, Dartrix, Howl, Bonsweet, Psyduck, Litten, Cosmog, Roggenrola, Masquerain, and a Cosmoem. I believe this is a rare. Yeah, that's a rare too. All right, let's kill these 3 Detective Pikachu packs. I don't know if there's a trick. So we got Jigglypuff, Magikarp, Morola, and a Greninja. All right. In the Detective Pikachu series, they all have every single card is holographic, so it's kind of cool. Psyduck, Snubble, Arcanine. That's it. Is it 4 cards? I thought it was 5. No, it's 4. Alright, last chance to get the Mewtwo I need. I probably won't. It's alright though. We got Bulbasaur, Lickitung, Jigglypuff, and a Machamp. So no Mewtwo. If anybody has a Mewtwo and is willing to give me or trade me for it, I should say, let me know. So I don't want to buy any more Detective Pikachu. Let's move on to the 8 blisters that I picked up. Forward to the front, we got a Dark, Simipour, Solrock, Wishful Baton, Riolu, Cutiefly, Tynamo, Duskull, NK, Reverse Crabominable, and a Persian for the rare. I do believe I need that reverse. It is a rare. We got a Fire, Wobbuffet, Acerola, Gloom, Panpour, Cutiefly, Pansear, Magikarp, Alolan Rattata, a Reverse Pikachu, and a Meowstic for the rare. I like that Pikachu art a lot. We got the Ultra Necrozma pack art. Forward to the front. We got Lightning, Rotom Dex, Pokefinder mode, Potown, Weakness Policy, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Meowth, Magikarp, Krogunk, Reverse Semipour, or Semisear, and a Passimian, the rare. Wow, nothing so far. We have a Grass, Semi-Sage, Whirlipod, or Peed, Guzma, Alolan Grimer, Ladybug, Cutiefly, Horsey, Venipede, Reverse Rare Bruxish, and a Ledian. Not looking too good. 4 packs left, guys. We have a Dark, Escape Rope, Gloom, Acerola, Duskull, Moral, Caterpie, Marill, Rhyhorn, Reverse Rare, Meowstic, and a Slowking for the rare. Keep getting these reverse rares. I want a banger. Psychic, Photown, Porygon 2, Weakness, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Alolan Vulpix, Meowth, Riolu, Reverse Lunatone, and a Zygarde holographic. Alright, so keep it rolling. I don't do too well when it comes to the single pack blisters for some reason. We have a Wata, Noctowl, Dusclops, Metapod, Mudbray, Alolan Rattata, Panpour, Caterpie, Porygon, Reverse Simisear, and a full art Ho-Oh GX. Let's go. I'll take it. I do not have this one yet. It's a little bit heavier on the right, but nothing too crazy. I mean, it is. Alright, one more pack. Doubt we'll get anything good, but let's hope for that last pack magic still. So we got a water, Heatmore. Let's leave that. Corellia, Simisage, Pikachu, Pansear, Charmander, Alolan Rattata, Porygon, Reverse Kingdra. Actually a bleed hollow. Looks like the whole card's hollow. It's also a rare. Nice. And a Bruxish for the rare. Alright, I'll see that in a minute. So nothing too crazy in this opening besides the one banger, like you see here, the Ho-Oh GX. It is added to the collection, so I'll take it. And I did get a bunch of reverse rares that I needed. I also got the Holo Zygarde, which I needed. I didn't buy too much of this set, so I know I'm gonna need a lot of these reverse holos. Definitely the rares for sure. Didn't get that Detective Pikachu Mewtwo, but it's all good. I'll get one somehow. Don't plan to buy any more boxes. The only reason why I bought this one was for the Detective Pikachu logo promo cards. Thought they were awesome. Decided to pick them up. And the little figure's cool too. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed today's opening, smash that like button, of course. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.